If you're looking for a professional miter saw that provides high performance and precision, then let me show you the latest additions to the Draper stationary power tool range. These expert quality double bevel compound miter saws will suit the demands of any tradesman or keen DIYer. Most people know how frustrating and awkward cutting opposing miters can be by having to flip or reverse the workpiece. To solve this, both new models feature a 45-degree double bevel function, enabling miter, bevel and compound cuts to be made in both left and right directions on the same cutting surface. The precision needle bearings within the slide mechanism ensure this saw cuts with accuracy and with the minimum of effort, time and time again. Built with powerful 2000-watt motors and available with 250mm or 305mm diameter blades, both saws have an impressive maximum cutting width of 340mm. Other features of these saws include preset left and right stops at 0, 15, 22.5, 30 and 45 degrees, depth stop and integral dust extraction. The vice clamp and solid milled aluminium base and side extension wings will securely support and hold the workpiece in place. The built-in length stops and laser cutting guide add to these miter saws' expert pedigree. A high-quality, general-purpose 40-tooth tungsten carbide tipped saw blade supplied with both models will produce good clean cuts with minimum breakout. These latest additions to the Draper range offer every miter saw solution you need.